Hey everyone, I know it's been the longest time I've made a video. hmm And I'm sorry, I'm back. A lot of things have been happening and I'm here to spill the tea on what have been happening. So if you're new to this channel, I'm Dorothy by name and I enjoy YouTuber based right here in Lagos. Like I said, this is a new channel and I apologize for not being consistent on my channel. So take it from me. I'm sorry. Like I said earlier, I've been really, really busy with a lot of things. And the first thing that I'm busy with is my business page. So officially, I just launched my business page and you need to check it out. So I'll be saying more about my business page. So let's dive right into the video. So to my new subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my space. Like I said, I've been really busy with a lot of things. And one of those things I've been busy with was my food page. So I just started this brand and let me just spill the tea. The name of my food page is Hometaste by Dora. Yeah, how does that name sound? Sweet, right? And unique. I know, right? So, like I said earlier, I've been busy with a lot of things, and this is one of the things I've been busy with. And the name of my page is Hometaste by Dora. And while growing up, I love food a lot. I really do love food, and food is one of my love languages. So if you love food, just so that I love food. So there's something special about home cooked meals. It gives you that warm taste, that family vibes, you know what I mean? That feeling of comfort. So that's what Home Taste by Dora is all about. So that was why I came up with that name, because it's all about home cooked meals. Delicious one. You don't want to miss, right? Bring that home taste to your plate. At Home Taste by Dora, we'll deal in delicious, freshly made home cooked meals with a lot of care and love. That's what we do. And the best part is we deliver across Lagos, anywhere in Lagos. It will be delivered at your doorstep. That's one thing about Home Taste by Dora. Whether you're craving for that smoky jollof rice, stews, soup, or anything special about homemade dishes, we got you covered. Like I said, we got you covered. All you have to do is place an order from us and very fast, we deliver it to your doorstep. You don't need to stress yourself. Nothing to be stressed about. That is why it's an home cooked meal that will be delivered to your doorstep. And if you're not already following us on our page, check us out on Instagram by at Home Taste by Dora. Definitely you see a lot of delicious dishes on the page, and those contents will definitely make you hungry, like very, very hungry. So check us out on Instagram, and if you see something you like on the page, don't forget to hit us up on Instagram, and we promise you the response to chat very, very fast. It's a promise. We respond to our chat very, very fast. I really believe that food connects people, and I want this page to be more than just a business. I want it to be like a community where we celebrate good food, culture, and delight. And I want you, if you have not followed us on our page, do tell a friend about this. Tell a friend to tell another friend that we are back on business and we give you the best at Home Taste by Dora. Definitely the best. Because every meal feels like, I love you. So every meal in Dora feels like home. So if you want this video to this point, I am doing this video because of you guys. Please follow my page, follow Home Taste by Dora, follow, like, and share to people so they get to know what we are doing on this page. And if you watch the video to this point, I am super, super, super duper grateful. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, and also congratulations in the comment section. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you and bye for now. Peace out.